Hey everyone, it's Lauren from the Tealight Planner Co, and today is new releases. So I'm going to show you guys the new things that were added to the shop today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so first thing I want to say is there are no new full kits this week. I've been bringing out full kits every new release for months now, but this time there's no new full kit. I may not make a full kit until, well, I have some plans. I might make one more Thanksgiving kit, and then I might just go straight into Christmas and winter. So we'll see. But yeah, so there's no new full kits this week, but I do have new journaling stickers / decorative stickers for this week. So let's look at them, and also some information for the shop as well. So let's go ahead and look at the new stuff. So I made 3 new journaling sheet kits, and their layout is like this. Oops, I grabbed an extra. So the layout is like this. So the first page is a full decorative sheet, so it just has decorative stickers in it. And then the second page has your torn paper stickers, and just some functional decorative boxes and stuff. So this is journal sheet kit number 3. So there's journaling sheets, and you can buy the kit or you can just buy one page individually. So if you just want the florals, you can just buy this, or you just want this, I mean, it's up to you. Also, I am now making these journaling kits available in standard matte and transparent matte. So all of these journal kits will have that option from now on. I already updated the old listings so that you can get them in transparent matte if you want. Here is what transparent matte looks like in this kit. Let's get it in frame. So it looks like this. So yeah, these will now have that option. So if you like transparent matte stickers, that is an option for you now. Next up is Journal Sheet Kit 4, and we have lots of pumpkins and then some fall florals. Here's the first page, and then your second page. Perfect for fall, very pretty. I really like all the pumpkins and stuff. I cannot wait to use these in my planner and bullet journal, so I really like these. And then also they're available in transparent matte, and that's what they look like here. Great for decorating your spreads. They're really cute. So that's those. And then we have Journal Sheet Kit 5. And so we have more of the purple, blue tones, and some orange too, and cream. But it's so pretty. I think this one's my favorite out of all of them. I just think the colors are vibrant, really pretty. I can't wait to use these. So this is Journal Sheet Kit 5, and then here is the transparent matte. And then the last thing to show you guys is a decorative sheet. And it's this, these fall window stickers. You get 6 on this page. They're a pretty good size. Great for decorating. They do go along with my Cozy Fall kit and journal kit, so if you want to pair these with that one, you can. They also come in the transparent matte, which is really pretty. I'm also going to show y'all how these look in like a bullet journal. So here is my bullet journal, and I'm just going to lay them down. This is kind of my testing page, and also for taking pictures for my listings. But so this one was an oops, so I'm going to go ahead and lay one down. We will do this one so you guys can see what they look like laid down in on the page. So here it is, really pretty, and this is the transparent matte. I really like that. Alright you guys, so these are the new releases for this week. I hope you guys like them. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. My personal favorite, I think, out of all of these is Journal Sheet Kit 5. I just really like the colors, but I like them all. But yeah, let me know in the comments of which one you like, and be sure to check out my shop if you're interested in these and join the email list so you can get a discount code. Be sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe if you want to see more from my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.